Hello everyone. In this crypto video we will talk about Celsius. If you haven't followed Celsius network, then follow them. Also we will check some recent posts from Celsius. As you can see here, 11 hours ago they have made one post and they have written, if you are headed to at the rate the next wave conference in Amsterdam next week, find the Celsius team at booth at Celsius Glass House. So this is related to some conference in Amsterdam, and looking forward to hearing how our business will be impacted as tech become increasingly more powerful. So if you want, you can join it. They will be in Amsterdam on June 16 to June 17. So this is one of the latest update from Celsius, and the tweet has been done 11 hours ago only. If I talk about the price prediction of Celsius, then according to experts, Celsius cryptocurrency has a potential to reach $1 very soon. Also, let's see what happen in future regarding Celsius. But yes, according to experts, Celsius cryptocurrency has a potential to reach $1 very soon. So this is just a video related to the update regarding Celsius cryptocurrency. Please subscribe my channel if you want to see more video related to Celsius crypto.